Protecting vegetable beds from ants without risking crop safety requires exclusion and targeted, low-toxicity tactics rather than broadcast pesticides. Start by creating physical barriers and clean, dry pathways that ants will not favor. Lay weed barrier mat underpaths around beds so soil is drier and less attractive for tunnel entrances. Cut the fabric tight to bed edges to deny easy access. For raised beds, use only pure compost or sterile growing mix and avoid adding unprocessed mulch that can harbor ants. Fill beds at least 8 inches deep with clean material so ants cannot tunnel from surrounding soil as easily. Use manual spot removal for visible nests by collapsing and removing the chambers with a trowel in early morning when ants are less active, and then drying the area with some exposed sun or light. If you must use a product, choose natural pyrethrin applied as a spot treatment directly to the nest opening only, and never over foliage or freshly harvested produce. Wait the labeled pre-harvest interval, even for botanical products, and rinse any edible parts before eating. Monitor regularly by moving a small piece of bread or a dry pet kibble as bait away from plants to detect new trails early and act on them before they establish deep nests. Common mistakes are treating the whole bed with insecticide, which can contaminate food and kill beneficial insects, so restrict any material to spot nest work and avoid foliage contact. Another error is using untreated organic mulches in direct contact with the bed surface because they provide shelter and moisture that attract ants. Instead, keep mulch off the top of the bed and use it only on pathways over weed barrier. People often ignore moisture management, which encourages ants. Correct that by watering at the root zone with deep, infrequent sessions and fixing any drainage issues so surfaces dry between waterings. Our site, bighomeprojects.com, connects homeowners to local contractors and resources for garden and bed design that help limit pest entry points. We host a discussion community where we share field tips, contractor experiences, and practical approaches to safe ant exclusion so we can all learn from each other.